How to turn on or off DPI settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and search for System. After that, click on System. In System, you will find all these options. Click on Developer Options. After you click on Developer Options, make sure it's turned on. After it's turned on, scroll down and you will find Smallest Width. Click on it. That is DPI. You can change it to anything you want. After you've changed it, press on OK and you're good to go. This is how to turn on or off DPI on your Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.